What's up, everybody? This is your boy, Mr. Dynamics. I'm here today, guys, analyzing GBPUSD. GBPUSD uh, has been good to us this week. If you can go and check the previous videos, you can see that we analyze everything that we analyzed was accurate on GBPUSD. So yeah, today we're just gonna check because it's the first weekend of February, right? So we're just gonna go back a little bit and check, right? So we have this pattern here. It's an expanding pattern, right? Yeah, expander, right? The reason I like this kind of patterns or kind of channels, right, is because they give you an idea, what's gonna happen. For example, we have 1, 2 here. We have 1, 2, it went up, right? So now automatically you have an idea that the market supposed to push up, right, to this point, drop to this point, push up like that. So those are the importance of channels because they give an idea. It's what's cool. That's what's important, guys. Have an idea what the market's gonna do. That's it. Then once you have an idea that the market is gonna supposed to go up or supposed to go down, then you mix those ideas, right? With what? With your strategy or with some patterns and confirmations, everything. So let's go a little deeper here. Uh let's zoom in. I just wanna show you how much you should be alert when you analyze the market. You must have a lot of point of views. I understand. So for me, I'm checking like, okay, let me see this structure here. You see, we have 1, 2, right? Now we have this resistance trend line, right? So by the look of things, the market is on a channel. It's in a channel. Sorry, right? We can see the market went down, right? Made a false breakout, came back again, came here to the trend line, retested, went up, made a second touch, went down, made a second touch. Now it's going up. It's an uptrend now, right? So what idea do you have? The idea that I have is that in this area here, the market price action, right? It's gonna react, then we have to push up after reacting, push up to this area here. I'm guided by what? I'm guided by the channel. This kind of strategy, or let me say this kind of trick, it's accurate. I can say 98% most of the time, right? So that's what I'm expecting the market will do then this February, right? In this area, the price action is gonna react here, then it's gonna push up. Why? Because the market went up here, um, retested this uh resistant trend line, went up again, make a second touch. When here, made another second touch, then it went up. That so we're going for a third touch because remember the rules of a channel, we're always looking for a third touch. Yeah, understand. Let me 95% of the time the market has to make that touch, right? And by the look of things, when the market comes here on this third touch here, we're gonna be having this area here, which is an area of volume here, this area here, where the market pulled back, right, and play around here, and then it created this huge impact, right? Created this huge impulse to the downside, right? Meaning the market, when it reaches to this zone somewhere here, might come here, break out, and catch people on the wrong side of the market, right? Thinking the market now it's gonna go up, but the market just went up to go to this zone to get more power so that it can push back down. So these are the kind of ideas that you should have before approaching the market. Like you must have what's gonna happen. Okay, this and so that when those things happens, you won't be like, oh man, you understand? You shouldn't be sure this thing happened. You must expect it. So that whenever the market do like this, you'll be like, no, if the market just created an impulse to the upside, you know we're going there. If the market creates an impulse to the downside on this zone, you know we're going there. If it creates an impulse and break the structure here and creates let me say it come this the market on this area just do like this, then pushes up, create call it a continuation pattern, you know we're going there, right? You know the market will come there, right? Gonna push up, then come back with an impulse, right? These are the kind of things that you should understand, guys. The market can just drop from here, come here, after here, hey, for the market to go down to this point, right? So you should have everything, and so that the market only reacts. Either way, you know what to do. Understand? So let's just remove this here, and let's just look at this area here. All right. So this is a weekly time frame. So we want to trade here. Understand? We want to trade here. So what we expect here, let's just identify the strong zones. Identify the strong zones of this. You should identify the strong zones as you identify this one. All right. So as you can see here, the market closed with the bullish candlestick. So we have a possibility that the market is gonna push to this zone, then push up. Right. So let's also identify this area here. So let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what's happening on daily. All right. So this is our main zone, the strongest zone here. Right. You also can identify this zone also. Actually, this whole zone here. Yes, that is where the market, played a lot of time. Came here, bounced, came here again, retested, came here again. So we might expect a push up. All right. So I want us to see something here. We have this channel that was broken. Right. We have this channel that was broken. Also have this zone here, which is 1, 2 zone, going with this zone, which is a strong zone. Right. So basically the market, since this is the area of volume, right? This area here, area of volume. The market approached that area, right? Approached this area because this area created this huge impulse to the downside, right? So that area it has a very, very much volume. I understand. So now that we have this, the market was approaching this level with the reversal pattern. We were expecting the market to push to the downside impulsively, right? Or maybe something like this. just impulsive. But check what the market did, right? The market broke this structure with what? With the correction. It's just going sideways. Which makes us now, né, to think that no, the market it's creating a type of a pattern. Remember, we have impulse correction, we pull back, impulse correction. Then with this impulse, then it just went sideways, right? Let's go to H4. Go to H4 and see something. H4 is remove this. Okay, now let's just put it back here. Just here. Yeah. So we have this, which is an impulse correction, impulse, then sideways market. Just sideways creating in the sideways market. Right. So I want to show you something. Let's remove this. Right. Let's use a trend line. Observe this. I want to show you something. Yeah. Of this. Right. This structure look like a flag. If you can check the structure, it's more like this common pattern. This kind of a pattern. Something like this. Right, there's something like this. No. Let me delete this one. It's not something like this. But let me, all right, yeah, just do it like this pattern. A very common pattern in the Forex is this kind of a pattern. It's a flag, it's a conjugation flag. Right. That's what the market is creating here. If you can check. Right. This is what the market is creating. You can check it. Right. It's an impulse, then it's this squeeze of a flag. Right. Remember, this area, it is a strong area here because that's where the market touched multiple times. That's where the market touched multiple times. The market can push up just like that from this zone. The market can break to make a dead touch here, then push up. Understand? So this is the areas that we have to be careful. Understand? When it comes to these areas, you must be very careful when it comes to these areas here. The market can just come here. Since we had this huge impulse, we also have this strong zone. The market can push up, or the market can go down. So how are we going to approach this kind of a structure in the market, or this kind of behavior? So we're gonna wait. This is for our let's also see this. You can also see this here, this zone here, for the strong zone here in the market. Also, you can go and watch my previous video on GBPUSD where I have shown this move to the upside. Also, this one. All right. Yeah, I analyzed that the market here is gonna go up. You can go and check it so that you can, learn more. So now the market is broken this level. So the market came back here, retested this level. So we're expecting a push to the downside. Right. We're expecting that to the downside. So how are we going to approach that? Because I don't want us to go against the trend. Let's go to H1. Exactly. You see what it already retested that level. Beautiful. Already retested that level. So we expect the market to push here. That's our first confirmation, right? We have this 1, 2, 3. Also, what do we have? We have this area here. You understand? We have this area here. Where the mark, it's more like, let's go to H4 and show you so that you can see it clear. We have this area which has never been retested. The market just went up, didn't come back in the tested zone, and it just played there. And now we have this area that hasn't been retested, right? We also have a 1, a 2, and we're waiting for a dead touch. We also have what? A continuation pattern, which is the continuation flag, right? So now we are much confident that the market will arrive to this area, because now we're going to identify this area as a strong zone. So we're going to expect the market to give us a push. That's a confirmation of a bullish candlestick, right? Give us a continuation pattern, then we go for the 90% rule there, something like that. Then we're going to take the market from this area. Just going to take it and just hold it to the upside. Yeah, something like this, something of this nature. So now, which is on Monday, we're just going to see how the market is going to react here. Take a confirmation first, then sell the market to this area here, because this area is a strong area. But if it breaks, then we're gonna wait for a retest. If it breaks here, we're just gonna wait for a retest. Like if it goes down here, retest will come here. Also, this is strong zone, checking confirmation, then we go up. But the market has to go up, at some point. So yeah, this is it for GBP USD, guys. Please go and watch the previous videos and see how I saw those moves, guys. It's very important to see how I analyze, right? Also confirm with your own strategy. And if you want to know my strategy on a deeper level, then you can text me on my WhatsApp. And then I have a mentorship program, right? You can go there. Also offer signals, right? Just go to my WhatsApp and we're just gonna talk there. Right, this is your boy, Mr. Dynamics. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the videos. Shout out.